The northern group of forces of the Russian armed forces continues its advance, blocking and completely dismantling the Ukrainian group, which has escaped to Olgovsky forests of the Kursk region. Over the past week, 3 battalions of Zelensky's troops of the 17th Separate Division, consisting of about 200 servicemen, have made several attempts to break out of Olgovsky cauldron, where enemy units retreated after the liberation of the settlement. At noon on November 18, the work of Russian artillerymen of Tula Paratroopers targeted the trapped Ukrainian units with the firepower of D-30 Howitzer.
Внимание! Выстрел!
The firing range of the 122mm howitzer is more than 15 kilometers. The weapon is capable of firing up to 8 shells per minute, causing significant damage.
Внимание! Выстрел!
As a result, those surrounded in difficult conditions were left with only 2 options, either to be eliminated or to surrender. Moreover, at 4 a.m., Ukrainian groups of 15 to 20 people tried again to break out of the trap. However, Russian Grad MLRS, with its simple design and ability to distribute a large explosive charge, took over the task. Given the fact that a single launcher is capable of firing a full salvo of 40,122mm rockets over a wide area in less than 20 seconds, an effective fire attack resulted in more than 80 enemy soldiers being eliminated, another 40 soldiers being injured, some of whom were abandoned by their comrades. In addition, 24 Ukrainian soldiers were taken prisoner from there, while an armored vehicle of theirs that tried to infiltrate Olgovsky cauldron was completely burned down. The northern group of forces reported on the advance in Olgovsky forest pocket. Images of captured Ukrainian troops have been added to the network in the first raid on the group, filmed by a kamikaze drone. According to the prisoners on November 19, between 400 and 600 troops fighting for Zelensky, including foreign soldiers, were surrounded in Olgovsky and Kremyanovsky districts. However, the area has now been cleared, and the remaining enemy forces have been completely dismantled out, the press service of the Russian Defense Ministry reported on November 20, 2024.
Внимание! Выстрел!